Hi everyone, so today I'm making a vegan lentil pasta dish. It's got some chopped vegan cocktail sausages and the quorn vegan pepperoni, avocado and a few other bits. It's a really yummy, tasty dish, really easy and quick to make. So obviously I've mashed up the avocado there, and that is lentil pasta. It's actually really tasty. So added them together and then chop up all the little cocktail sausages. Those sausages are Tesco Plant Chef ones. They were just new on the shop, just got them. So I've added them to there. There's been quite a few new bits out recently, I noticed on the shop this week. I got quite a few bits, which was quite good. It's really good now that we can literally get anything in a vegan version, isn't it? So anyway, back to this dish. So we've got the lentil pasta, the avocado and the mini cocktail sausages. We've added red and yellow pepper to that. I would have added green as well, but I didn't have one. And then we've added spinach to it, and you give it a really good mix up. I'll add some tomatoes chopped up. So this is quite a healthy dish, this. It's quite nutritious, isn't it? And I think I'll probably give some of this to my sons tomorrow for their packed lunches. And as you can see, I've added in the quorn vegan pepperoni, just ripped up some pieces of that and thrown that in there. So this is quite a nice dish. Have you had this before, or would you try this dish? This is my sort of thing. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thank you.